Who are you, really? Welcome to Master English Stories. Today's story is not about a famous person or a big event. It's about something more important. It's about you. Have you ever sat alone, far from noise, and asked yourself, who am I? Not just your name, not your job, not the role you play in your family or society, but who are you deep down, when no one is watching, when the world is silent? This is one of the deepest questions a person can ask. And yet, it's the question many people never try to answer. They live for years, doing what others tell them. They follow paths they didn't choose. They wear smiles they don't feel. They become strangers to their own hearts. But there is a part of you, the truest part, that still remembers who you really are. That part is waiting for you to return. Let's begin at the beginning. When you were born, you were full of life. You didn't care about what others thought. You laughed when you were happy. You cried when you were sad. You lived freely, honestly, and completely in the moment. That was your true self. But as you grew, things changed. People told you how to behave. They told you what was good or bad, right or wrong. They told you what to believe, what to fear, what to hide, and what to show. Bit by bit, you began to forget the real you. You started to wear masks, the happy mask, the strong mask, the smart mask, the polite mask. You started to play roles, maybe the good student, the perfect son, the responsible daughter, the quiet worker, and each day, your true voice grew softer. But here is the truth: who you really are has never disappeared. It is still there. It speaks to you in quiet moments. It shows up in your dreams. It stirs when you feel deeply. It cries when you feel lost. It smiles when something feels right. You are not your job. You are not your test scores. You are not your mistakes. You are not the things you have or the things you lack. You are not what others expect of you. You are the voice that whispers, there is more to life. You are the curiosity that wonders, what if I followed my heart? You are the child who once dreamed without limits. You are the courage that stands up when life pushes you down. You are love. You are hope. You are possibility. But to return to your real self, you need to stop. Stop running. Stop pretending. Stop comparing. Ask yourself, what do I truly love to do? Even when no one is watching. What makes my heart feel alive? What would I do if I was not afraid? What would I say if no one judged me? Who would I become if I listened to my soul? These are not easy questions, but they are necessary. Because the world is full of noise, full of advice, full of opinions. But the most important voice, your voice, must rise above the noise. Maybe you feel like you've gone too far from your true self. Maybe you think it's too late to start again. But the truth is, it's never too late. Your soul doesn't keep time the way clocks do. It only knows truth and longing. No matter how long it's been, you can always return. Return to the real you. The one who felt wonder while watching the stars. The one who sang loudly without shame. The one who believed in kindness, who cried at stories, who dreamed of something big, that you is not gone, that you is waiting. And when you begin to walk back, even slowly, something beautiful happens. Life starts to feel lighter. People start to connect with you in a deeper way. You begin to feel peace, not because life is easy, but because you are no longer fighting yourself. You will laugh, not because everything is perfect, but because you are free. You will cry, not out of fear, but from joy because you are alive. You will inspire others, not by being better than them, but by being fully you. Imagine a world where people stopped pretending. Imagine a world where every face you met was honest, where every word came from the heart. That world would be beautiful, That world starts with you. The journey to knowing who you are is not a one-time thing. It's a path you walk every day. It's in your choices, your values, your silence, and your voice. It's in the way you treat others and how you treat yourself. So start small. Speak a little more truth each day. Follow one small dream. Let go of one fear. Forgive one pain. Smile at your reflection. Write a letter to your future self. Tell your heart, I hear you now. And when people ask you, who are you? Don't just say your name. Tell them what you love. Tell them what you believe. Tell them the story you are becoming. You are not here by mistake. You are here with meaning. Your voice matters. Your dreams matter. Your journey matters. Even if no one else sees it yet, you must see it. Feel everything: joy, sadness, wonder, love, and let it all be part of your truth. Try things, fail at things, laugh at your mistakes, cry when it hurts. But never stop searching for your true self. That search is the most beautiful journey you will ever take. Talk to yourself like someone you love. Tell your past, thank you for the lessons. Tell your future, I'm coming. Tell your soul, I'm listening now. Make space for silence. In silence, you will find the voice that never left you. Your voice, your truth, yourself. And when you find it, hold it close. Protect it, honor it. Let it guide you, even when the road is hard. Because no treasure is greater than living your life as you truly are. Let your eyes see beauty again. Let your hands create again. Let your feet dance, even if no one is watching. Let your thoughts breathe. Let your spirit rise. Paint, sing, write, walk, pray, play, love, rest, dream. These things are not extra. They are part of remembering yourself. You don't need permission to be whole. You already are. If people don't understand you, it's okay. You don't need to be understood to be real. You just need to be true. So build your life slowly, truth by truth, moment by moment. Let each day be a step towards yourself. Let your fears teach you. Let your hopes lead you. Sometimes, rediscovering yourself means letting go of what you thought you wanted. It means ending stories that no longer fit. It means saying goodbye to what felt safe but wasn't true. And that's okay. Growth always comes with change. Real love begins with honesty. Real peace begins with truth. So don't fear the empty space. That space is where the real you begins to grow. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not too late. You are exactly where you need to be to begin again. You are a story in motion, a soul in bloom, a masterpiece under construction. You are a question that keeps unfolding, and the answer that keeps surprising. Keep asking, keep unfolding, keep surprising, keep exploring, keep becoming, keep remembering, keep opening your heart, keep trusting the quiet moments. Even if the journey is slow, even if the path is unclear, even if others don't see your steps walk anyway, for in each honest step you take, you come closer to yourself, and the closer you get, the more alive you feel. The world needs more real people. People who live with heart, people who choose truth over comfort, people who feel deeply and live boldly. Be that person, be real, be you, and let that be your gift to the world. Because who you are really is exactly who this world needs. Every day, you have a choice to listen to the noise or to listen to your heart, a choice to follow the crowd or to follow your own path, a choice to hide who you are or to show your true colors. These choices may seem small, like choosing what to say, how to react, or what to believe about yourself. But these small choices build your life, piece by piece. Remember, No one else can live your story for you. No one else can feel your feelings or dream your dreams. Only you can decide to be honest with yourself and with the world. When you choose truth over comfort, you may feel fear. That is natural. Fear is a sign that you are growing. It means you are stepping outside your safe zone. But courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is feeling the fear and doing it anyway. Each time you choose courage, you make space for your real self to shine. You build strength. You become a light not just for yourself, but for others who need to see that being real is possible. Your choices matter. Your story matters. You matter.